Welcome, everyone. Based on countless hours of research and independent studies, we have formulated and selected the best products of this year, saving you time scrolling through hundreds of internet websites and numerous trips to stores looking for that right product. We have compiled a list of the top recommended products. With great attention to detail, we have analyzed every product's value for the money spent, features and functionality, and also customer and expert reviews when we selected the best products. Spending a few minutes to watch this video about the top recommended products of the year will allow you to formulate a more decisive decision. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
To use the convenient smart features on your LG portable air conditioner connected to your smartphone, search for the LG SmartThink application from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store on your smartphone. Follow instructions to download and install the LG application. Run the LG application and create an account and sign in. To connect the portable air conditioner to your Wi-Fi network, power on the unit, and press and hold the fan button for 3 seconds until the Wi-Fi icon begins to blink. Select Register. Then select Air Conditioner from the list of available smart appliances. Then select Portable. Follow the instructions on the smartphone to register the unit and connect it to your home Wi-Fi network. Proceed to Step 3 on the app and press Registration Complete. Once the product is registered, the unit will appear on the app, and you are now ready to use the smartphone features on your LG portable air conditioner from your smartphone. The smart features include mode, set temperature, fan speed, and airflow. You can also turn the unit on and off using the app on your smartphone. Stay cool all year round with your new LG portable air conditioner.